I am terrified. Whoa! Oh! It's the noises and animatronics. Oh! Going up a lift hill now. Oh. Whoa. It goes sideways, it spins. You just don't know where to look. And it is roasting in here today. When it comes, when it comes to ghost trains, honestly, it does not get much scarier than this. It's because of the ride system, how it works and spins round. It is pretty scary. Yeah, look at this. It can spin, and there's a reason why hardly anybody's going on it. The sound effects are so loud. Oh my God! The worst thing is I've done this before. I know what's coming. Oh my God! Oh, I kind of thought I knew what was coming. Maybe I should have watched back my old POV to remind me. Oh, I've just got shivers. Oh! Oh! Chopped his head off. And sprayed me. I do not like this. Oh, oh God! Oh, I am shaking. No, this is the scariest ride in the world, I think. It's because there's just stuff coming from me from every angle. It's coming close as well. And the sound effects are just so loud. Oh. Whoa! I'm not very good when it comes to blood and gore, and as much as I love Halloween and scare attractions. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! That thing is insane. What a ride!